Hi, beautiful people out there. Welcome back. In this clip, we are going to look at optional parameters and the regular expression constraints in Laravel routing. So to start with, let me first remove this aspect of code. Let me remove this and then let me remove the ID and this also. So now all I need to do is to pass some mark here in our dynamic segment. So if I should go back to the browser and let me remove this and if I should reload the browser, I think okay, let me have a sort of know here, right? So if I should go back to the browser and try to reload, so instead of throwing 404, you can see that we have a blank page now. So instead of now, if I should now post something like, let's say, Felix here, so you can see it returns a Felix. So the next one now is a regular expression constraints and how we can actually make use of a weird method. So let's see how constraint actually works. So let me first remove this and then let me remove this also. So the next thing I need to do now is to have a anchor here and have a weird method. Then I will now say name followed by comma then string, have a pattern, then I have a z, then a small letter. So that's the pattern. Then I have a then have right there. So and now, so if I should go to profile page and there I have, for instance, Felix here, reload. Okay, let me restart again. If I should retry again, okay, you can see Felix here. So now, if I should remove the lowercase here and I reload again, you can see 404. But here now, if I use a capital letter, for this one, let's say Felix in capital letter, I should load it, you can see Felix. So that's the pattern. So if I use ID, for instance, number, let's say, let's see. So the next one now is let's try to use a ID. So instead of having name here, let me have a ID, and here let's have ID. So now if I have a 0 to 9 here, and if I should refresh now, I should have a 12 here. If I put 13, so what if you want to have a string and then number? So how to go about it is very simple. So let's just have a array, for instance, have a array here, then have our ID. But instead of comma here, we have a arrow and the name. So here let's have our name. Here have name, then name. It's return. Let's concatenate first. And have a $name. So here now we have name, then followed by arrow, then we have the pattern. In this case, we have a, let's say, WAZ. So if I should come here and try to reload, we have a 404. But if I should have another, if I should have a string here, let's say Felix, we have 404. But if I should use capital letter, for instance, Felix here, it should be okay. Well, having still having 404. Have ID. Okay, never ID there. So let's put it again. Having the same error. 404. So of course, we are supposed to have a forward slash here. So if I should go back and refresh again, you can see we have a 160 Felix. But if I should use, let's say, small letter here, let's say it's here again. We have 404. But let's go back. So and if we should change the order, then let's have a string first followed by the number, then have a 404. So the next one now is how to use a helper methods that can allow you to quickly add pattern constraint to your routes. So the first one we want to use now is square number. Let me remove this, and let me also remove this, and the concatenation aspect there, our the name parameter there. So here now let's have where number, and then we have the if you should come here and put the 70 for instance, it returns a 404. So okay, then we didn't remove the curly braces for name. So as I remove that, if I should come back here, so we have a 70. So it works like the pattern also. Then if I still have a name, for instance, let me try to add the name here. Now if I should have a where number, then g, and we have a pointer, then followed by where alpha. But so let's put a name here, for instance, person name. If I should go back, have a 70, then followed by Felix, 404. We haven't put a name here. Okay, I think it should work now. But forward slash. All right, so you can see now if I should put a in irrespective of whether they are uppercase or lowercase, as you can see B. So it's working perfectly. So the next one also we want to take a look at where in. So let's say we have this ID, for instance. Let me remove the ID. I mean the name rather. Let's remove all this once again. Then here we have a where in method, the helper method. So now we will now put the ID. So the ID string there, then followed by an array. Then let's put 300, 400, then 500 page now. And let me remove this. So if I should click on, you can see you're having 404. But if I put let's say 300, we have in our array 300. So if I should reload it, we are having an error there. Oh, ID should be ID. Let me reload. Now you can see 300. But if I should put that 70 here, for instance, let's add 70 now. So if I should now write 70, yeah, 70 should work. If I should remove it, then it will not work. I follow for. So that's it about the regular expression constraints in Laravel routing. So if you are new to this channel and you like the content I'm creating, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video tutorial.